Welcome. If you've been getting too many recommendation notifications on X, previously known as Twitter, you're not alone. With the latest update, X has adjusted how notifications work, and many users are now seeing alerts they never asked for. But don't worry, turning them off is quick and easy. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to disable recommendation notifications on X using your PC. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before continuing. Once you're on your homepage, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Messages. Click on the one labeled Notifications. This will open your main Notifications tab where you see all the recent updates related to your account. Next, look for the gear icon or the option called Settings. It's usually near the top right or top left of the notifications page. Click on it to open your notification settings. Now, you'll see a new section called Preferences. Select it, and then choose Push Notifications. This is where you can manage the types of notifications you receive from X. Scroll down to the section labeled From X. Under this category, find the option called Recommendations. This setting controls whether X sends you alerts about posts or users it thinks you might like. If you don't want those kinds of suggestions appearing as notifications, simply uncheck the box next to recommendations. That's it. You've now turned off recommendation notifications. From here on out, you'll only get alerts for what truly matters: your mentions, activity, and updates you've chosen to follow. Customizing your notifications helps keep your X experience cleaner and more focused, so you can engage with what matters most without unnecessary distractions. If this guide helped you, consider fine-tuning your other notification preferences while you're here. Managing everything from one place can make your time on X much smoother and more enjoyable.